Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
TLDR, you can't do so easily. If they are just killing you from temporary spite immediately after you attacked a villager, going a distance away from the village should calm them back down. On the other hand, if you have killed so many villagers that your popularity is under -20, the golems will attack you on sight.
Let's help you make your mark.
5 answers. Gather up 3 to 4 stacks of dirt or other scaffolding. Break out of the house through the ceiling and pillar up 10 to 15 blocks. While crouching, build your way out of the village until the village's chunks don't render anymore. Get down safely. Wait for at least 20 minutes. You can now re-enter the village safely. The 1st of May 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Players should be capable of offering flowers to iron golems, who in turn, would appreciate it and be less likely to attack you. But if you offer the iron golem a wither rose, the iron golem would receive the effect and become angry, causing it to attack you. 6 June 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Because you accidentally attacked a villager or two, your popularity in the village is probably low enough that the iron golems will attack you on sight. One option is to prevent more iron golems from spawning, and then killing any remaining ones aggressive towards you in the village.
Let's help you make your mark.
15 hits from diamond sword, approx 15 seconds based on 1 hit per second. 13 hits with an arrow, approx 26 seconds based on 0.5 hit per second. Fire, I dropped iron golem into an enclosed area with a floor on fire.
Take our lead.
Your best option is to just keep trading with them. Whenever you trade with a villager, their attitude towards you improves, so even if it costs more emeralds for a trade, just take it till the prices go back down.
Take our lead.
Tig will automatically defend your base, which is technically your bed. He will kill targets if they're closer to 10 blocks from your bed. By the way, to tame an iron golem you have to give him 10 iron ingots and 3 diamonds.
Take our lead.
In Minecraft, iron golems are tough utility mobs that protect villagers and players form attacks and help them defend against an enemy. These golems can spawn inside a village naturally, however, users can also create an iron golem of their own. 22 May 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
They will attack anything that attacks themselves or a villager, except a player if the iron golem is player-made. A golem will only stop acting aggressively if they defeat the player or mob who attacked them, or if all players leave the game.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.